What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions. We're a car discussion channel, guys. Please do check out my other videos, discuss in the comments below, get involved, smash the fucking subscribe button, the like button, all that kind of stuff. Help the channel grow. And yeah, in today's episode we're going to be covering B's for Build, DDE, TJ Hunt and a few others as well. Also, guys, if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can. If you want to send me any stories or videos, I'll give you a shout out on my videos of your Instagram page as well. So yeah, I think we'll just jump straight into this video, no fucking around, just so we can get basically, so we don't make it too long, because we have a lot to cover with these channels. So we're going to kick it off with B is for Build. So B is for Build is their newest project, which I'm delighted they've started a new one. Is fucking wild. I mean, like, in fairness, Chris, like, this is crazy. So basically what they're doing is he's bought a rundown, you could say, R34. Obviously over in the States, unfortunately for you fuckers, he can't have you know, they aren't legal yet. Over here in Ireland, you can, you know, they'd be classics. I'd say nearly at this stage, a 94 would be, no, it wouldn't. But anyway, we can drive them over here, no problem. So he has come up with the idea to make it legal. He is going to swap the bodies onto an R35, which, I mean, is insane. So his most recent video was him measuring up, like, basically what I love about these, why I love Tavarish, TJ Hunt, you know, B's for Build, when they do these projects, is just the amount of damage you see on the donor car that they have, him stripping it down, you see everything that's wrong with it, all the parts are going to put onto it. Like, this is going to be a massive project. You just wonder, like, the way he's after measuring things to get it, the R34 body to line up on the R35 chassis. It's going to be fucking insane. I don't know how he's going to do it, guys. I mean, and when it's done, it's going to be nuts. He's using the R35 engine as well. He's obviously going to tune it up also, which is going to be crazy. But I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. What do you think? Do you think this is a bit too much? Do you think it'll come out the way it should come out? Do you think he'll be able to do it? If anybody can do it, I suppose Chris can. It's going to be a very crazy build, and I cannot wait to see what way this comes out. I'm going to be watching it very closely. I will be giving you updates on it, my own thoughts and opinions. But high five to Chris. He's really going for this one, and I cannot wait to see the outcome of it. Next up, guys, has got to be DDE. So obviously their newest purchase, they have gone away and actually bought a Lamborghini Svj. Fucking finally, they've actually gotten one. I'm delighted. Not the spec I would have went for. My spec, it'll probably come up here, is the gold with the purple with the gold wheels. That is my ultimate spec. It's so gorgeous in that spec. The yellow is not bad either, with all the carbon bits. And he was basically asking, you know, the guys, August, saying should he straight pipe it or twin turbo it. Of course you do fucking both, like, you know. But it's going to be crazy. I mean, like, you wonder how far they can push the envelope when you go to these really expensive cars. Like, look at the CGT. He hasn't wrapped it, you know, he's been clever about his mods. Like, when you go up into cars that are really up high in that price range, I don't think DDE they're going to go for power mods and maybe wheels. I can't really see them going like a crazy body kit and a crazy wrap maybe, but let me know in the comments below, guys. Are you delighted they got an SVJ? What you want them to do to the SVJ? Do you want them to fully mod it or just do engine mods? Hopefully they get the Gintani F1 tune exhaust on it, like Randy has with Savage Garage, because that is just unbelievable. It's one of the best sounding cars out there. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. I cannot wait to see this build being done by DD, so congratulations to them. Next up, guys, is going to be TJ Hunt. His latest video was him putting on a new exhaust system on his Porsche GT3 RS, and it sounds fucking insane. I think this one, it took out the resonator on the back of it, so basically straight piped it. I can't remember the name of the company that did it, but it sounds unbelievable. It sounds like an actual F1 race car. One of the best sounding, you know, RSs out there. It's insane. I was just, my jaw dropped when I was just like, wow, this thing is nuts. So here is a quick clip for you guys. what the actual fuck. That thing is so loud and I love it. Just the sound, the raspiness of it it's insane. Just this is why I love TJ Hunt's channel and the way he just does these mods and he goes for these, you know, he goes for the top and the best mods as well. I think it's he said Enkinel is the name of the stuff. I know DD has it on his, Damon has it on his CGT exhaust system, so you know obviously it cost him probably a good bit of money for the whole exhaust system, but fuck me, it was definitely worth it. I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments below of the new exhaust system. Is it too loud? But he can, you know, vary between low and high as well. So yeah, I'm actually in love with it and I cannot wait to see what else he does with the car. But yeah, definitely he's got that one spot on indeed with the RS. Next up, guys, is going to be Matt Armstrong. So if you are a follower of Matt Armstrong, basically he is going away and bought another crash car. So his girlfriend doesn't have a daily driver and basically he needs to find one for her, and he's gone away and purchased an Audi RS5. I really like these cars. I've always wanted one. Just something about them, the shape of them in the coupe version. I think they're 4.2 litre V8. They sound awesome. I've seen one before in real life and I actually fell in love with them. I was like, if I had the money I would buy one. They're around 24,000 pounds in the UK, and this one has got a bit of a nasty hit, but the airbags aren't out, interior is fine. So knowing Matt, he's probably going to go balls out in this one. I really hope he, you know, does what he does his other projects, like goes for a crazy set of wheels, a really cool body kit, but he better go for a bright color wrap on this. I have seen one of these cars wrapped in purple and they look unbelievable. Like they're just so nice. Like Matt, I trust him, but sometimes his mods aren't for my favor, like particularly, like I know he doesn't for himself. But he, around 7-8 times out of 10, he usually gets the mods right that I like. But this project, it's got chassis damage, so he's got to get that fixed as well. But he's got so many projects on the go, it's just never ending, guys. You really, if you haven't subscribed to his channel, you're missing out. He's just a very good channel. I just love the way he mods these cars. And last up but not least is going to be Evan Shanks, guys. So I had to cover Evan. He's gone away and gotten a new spray job done on his Evo. The Evo barn find that he basically got, it was in terrible condition. It was in white. Basically it was an absolute shit, and the amount of work he's put into this, he even has his own custom wheels on it. It came out unfucking real. It's basically, he wanted orange but not a bright orange or a too dark of an orange. So it's like an orange with a candy red over it, and he got the carbon fiber fixed up as well, the original carbon fiber. It looks unfucking real. I really like this. Like, I mean, wait till he puts in the engine. This thing is going to be epic when it's done. The color is spot on with the carbon fiber, the kit, wheels, the whole lot. All I can say to you is, if you haven't, like, go check out the video if you haven't already. Evan is brilliant at what he does with his cars, and just this spray job and the way it came out, he's hit the nail on the head with it. I absolutely love it. We'll keep a close eye on this build, but this color, spot on. I actually love it, and he was in love with it when he saw it. And just the way when the camera hits it, like when it's in the shade compared to the sun, it's just the way it flips. It's just absolutely beautiful. Highly recommend go check out that video as well, guys. So that is it for today. Hopefully it wasn't too long for you guys. Again, if you're new, you've watched the end, thank you a fucking million. You are legends. All my regular subscribers and commenters, please do keep smashing that like button, guys. Please do keep commenting. It just really helps with the algorithm. I'm trying my best to keep pumping in a bit of content this week, so you know, hopefully you'll keep enjoying it and keep supporting the channel, because you're just been smashing it. And yeah, we'll have another video out probably in the next day or two. So until then, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.